Welcome to the pizza factory. Lettuce, cheese, and toppings too. Let's make pizza, me and you. A says apple, nice and red. Place it on the pizza bread. B says broccoli, green and bright. Yummy, yummy, what a sight. C says carrot, crunch, crunch, crunch. Pizza time for a happy lunch. Mix and match from A to C, learning letters happily. Pizza, pizza, A, B, C. Cook it in the oven, 1, 2, 3. Cheesy, yummy, hot around. Alphabet fun all around. Pizza, pizza, sing with me. A, B, C, so happily. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Alphabet pizza is a tasty treat. D says donut, wait, not there. Donuts don't belong up there. E says egg, let's crack it right. F says fruit, colorful and bright.